And the first example on the hw8t, and now we have the 4 hours time frames. And so on this time frame, the first step you need to do is check about the structure of the market. So we can see from the left side to the right side, the markets have a structure like the high and the high low. It means that about the structures, the market now is an up movement. And the second step you need to define here is the key levels of the 4 hours time frame for this up movement. And for this case, you can define here is this demand zone, strong demand zone, also called like the key levels because it's very important. Strongest demand zone creates the highest high of the up movement. And I will change the color to the green color to be easy to see. And marking information over here is 4 hours. And you can see that at this time, price already break the key level of the 4 hours time frame up movement. Therefore, the direction now change from the up movement to down movement. Therefore, for this case, I will waiting the market to sell because the trend in the 4 hours now is a down movement. For this case, I will jump into the 1 hours to find out where is the best play to entry or the take profits. And here is a 1 hour time frame. For this time frame, the first step you need to define is the structures of the market in the 1 hours time frame. You can see that now the market already created a lower low and the lower high. It means that price now already create a structure like the down movement as well, same as the 4 hours. And for this structure, the next step you need to define here is a strong selling zone of the 1 hours time frame. And at this time, you can forecast how the markets can go from these levels. The first one, markets can go into the demand zone of the 4 hours to retest and go down very strongly. And the second scenario, the markets can go from this movement into the strong selling zone, I mean the supply zone of the 1 hour time frame and go down again. And so we will move on some candles to see what happens next. The markets now already go into the demand zone of 4 hours, but at this time you can see that the market creates the up marble candle very strong. Therefore, you need to wait more. Might be the market cannot test in the demand zone of 4 hours. Maybe it will come into the strong selling zone in the 1 hour's time frame. So you need to wait if there any exactly confirmation for this case. You can see that now already have the up big candle show you the strong up movement still in the market. Therefore, the market come and test in the 4 hours demand zone is impossible. And after a while, the market already come into the strong selling zone of the 1 hour time frame. And at this time, you can come into the 15 minutes time frame and check if there any the best entry and stop loss for this case. And here is the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, you also need to define the first one, structure of the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see from the lowest to the highest. Price already create the structure like the high and high low. It means that in the 15 minutes time frame, the market go into up movement, come into the supply zone of the 1 hour time frame. And for this case, next step, you also can define here is the demand zone of the 15-minute time frame. And I will marking information for this zone to be easy to see in the market. And for this case, you can see that the distance from the supply zone of 1 hour and the demand zone of 15-minute time frame is quite far. You also can have a strategy at this time. You can entry if in the supply zone of 1 hour time frame create the down signals like engulfing patterns, like double top pattern to quick entry and set risky zone in the demand zone of 15-minute time frame to quick exit. Is the trend of the market in no support for the sell orders. And so let's move on some candle to see what happens in the market. And the market is go down from the supply zone of 1 hour. But at this time is not enough for you to join into the market. I want to see a double top at this time and engulfing patterns. Two signals is good for me to entry at this time. Only some of the parabolic candle is not enough to show you the strong down movement for this case. You can see that the market now already create the selling zone or the supply zone in the 50-minute time frame, also same as the supply zone in the 1 hour time frame. Therefore, for this case, the market also go quite far from this level. Therefore, I will wait whether price can retest again, and I will join into the market at the 3 top. I mean that I need price create a triple top, because triple top is stronger than double top at this level, because the 50-minute time frame at this time is still in uptrend. 4 hours is downtrend, 1 hour is a downtrend as well, but 50-minute time frame is still in uptrend, so I need very carefully for this case. And here it is. You can see that the market go and wanted to break the supply zone of the 1 hours and the 50-minute time frame, but it fails. You can see the long tail above of these up candles, and price already create of the down Marubozu candle inside of the supply zone. Therefore, you can see that the market still in the supply zone and create of the double top, a triple top, but this time is a very good signals for this case, and you also can entry immediately at these candles and stop loss in the quite a little distance from the open price of this Marubozu candles to be safeties. And now our stop loss is a 15.5 pips, and I will take profits. It will open the 1 hour's time frame and select. You can see that the recent low is very good to take profit at this case. And one more thing you need to define for this case, because the 50-minute time frame is still in uptrend, and here is the key levels or the strongest demand zone of the 50-minute time frame. This zone will decide the 50-minute time frame can change from the up movement to down movement. Therefore, you need to set an outlet at this level is a risky zone. If price go to this risky zone and create some of the best signals like engulfing and like the double bottom support for the up movement, you can quick exit for this case. So let's see what happens next in the market. And the market is go down very strongly. You can see that a lot of the down Marubozu candles continuously. Here we have some of the small pullback, but you can see on the left side, this one is nothing. No any demand zone at this level. This is the range, and when markets go into the range have a small pullback, it's very normally. And you can see that at the risky zone or the demand zone, the 50 minutes time frame, we have a 1, 2, and 3 Marubozu candle continuously very strong. Therefore, the price can't break this demand zone, go until our take profits. This one is one of the signals very good for our trade. And the markets go through break of the demand zone in 50-minute time frame and go very strongly hit to my take profit. That's all about the multiple time frame and trading Confluence strategies.